So for the solid state drive, they have these cool little things that you don't need any screws for it. You just pinch the sides and it kind of lifts up. And then you want to make sure, basically it only goes in one way because of this corner and the connectors. So we just slide it like so, and it's secure. And then we just clip it back down. It's nice and easy. And I'll go ahead and use the second one in case we wanted to add a DVD drive. And then just, that guy can go ahead and plug it in the motherboard. But instead of going straight there, I'm actually going to route it like how I routed everything else through these loops. Just, again, it makes it look nicer. Plug it in. That keeps stuff out of your way.